back, friends. Today we will learn what is table. Intersections of rows and column is known as table. Now we will ask a question: why do we need a table in HTML? The answer is the HTML table model allow us to arrange data, text, perform text, images, links, and forms. Form fields, other tables, etc. into rows and columns. Now we will discuss about some of the various tags in some of the various table tags. First is table. This is the main tag by which table is created. It is a container tag. Second, tr tag, which defines a table row. By this, a table row is created. th and td tags, which defines the table headers and data cells. By this, the content inside the rows and columns are written. Caption tag. This is used to define the title or captions for the table. Attributes for table tag. First is border, second is border color, third is cell spacing. Cell spacing is the amount of space between two or more cells. Cell padding gives the amount of space between the cell border and the cell content. Fifth is height and width, sixth is align, and seventh is PG color. Now I will show you the sample for this, how to create a table. First, I have written HTML tag followed by body. Then I have used this table tag with border 3 and height 100 and width 70. Note that I have not closed here and closed at the end because table that contain all the tr and td tags. Tr tag. This tag gives a table row to the table, and td tag is used to write the content inside the table row. Now I have created one row and closed the one row. This is the whole sample for one row. Now I have again created a second row with the same tag tr followed by td, and I have closed the table row also. Now finally I have closed the table tag, and again I started the table tag, and I have written table border with 3, height 40% and width. I have used in this cell spacing, cell padding, all the attributes that are in the table tag. Cell padding I mark as 100 and border color as red and BG color as green. Now I have created a table row. I have closed the table row, and I finally closed the second time table tag and body, and then finally HTML. This is the output for it. This is the output for first table that I have created. In first I have used only you can see that in first I have only used border. This is the border created, and height, this is the height of the table, and width is this much is width, and this is 70. And the second table I have marked the border as 3. This is the border created, which is in red color, and inside also. And now height is 40% and width is 60%. In this I have used the height as percent, and alignment is right. You can see that the table is created on the right side of it, and then I have used cell spacing. Cell spacing is the spacing between the cells. This is the space between two cells. This is known as cell spacing. If I decrease it, you can see that the space is less between it. This is a role of cell spacing. Next I have used cell padding. cell padding I have also marked as 100. This provides a space between cell and the border. If I also decrease this by 10, then see the result. You can see that the space between cell and the border is decreased by 100. First, earlier the content was written somewhat here, but now I have decreased the cell padding so the content reach near the border. It means that cell padding provides the space between cell and the border. Sorry, content and the border. Now I've used border color. Border color I've used as red. You can see this border color is red. And BG color. BG color stands for background color, which is green for this table. And for whole this I've used, for this orange color I have used in body tag, and the attribute for same is BG color. You can see that I've used BG color with body tag, that is orange, and the output has came orange in the background. So thanks for watching. I hope you find my content useful. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.